Don't go any further. In this video, you'll discover 100% working codes for Dress to Impress, new update that many players don't know. Welcome to Solution Fossil X, the channel where real codes come out or anywhere else. Attention, these codes are limited and can expire at any moment. There's one secret code hidden in this video. If you miss it, you miss free rewards. Rewards like exclusive outfits, stylies, special items, boosters. Want extra rewards? Write your Roblox username in the comments. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to watch full video to find the secret code. Now let's go straight to the actives of Dress to Impress.